Namaste students. Students, in last class we have learned addition in measures of mass. So how to solve the statement sums and then direct questions we have to solve. So now today subtraction in mm, measures of mass. So in the addition we are arranged in the column wise and then we have to find out the sum. In the subtraction we can arrange it in the column wise, but here we can take to first biggest number and then afterwards smallest number. Okay, first we can compare bigger unit only. So which is the bigger unit here? Kg, and gram is a smaller unit. Okay, so now first compare the kg, don't compare gram. Once we have compare kg, gram also will be there, it is also greater. Okay, so look at this first question. 195 kg and 115 kg, 996 gram. This is the question. We can compare first bigger unit. Bigger unit, which are the bigger units are there here? Kg, here kg. But here gram is not there. So we understand 0 grams are there. Okay, so now compared to the kg, which is the bigger? 195 kg is the bigger. So we can 195 kg, 0 grams, it is greater. Okay, so first write the units kg and gram. So kg and gram we should write. Greater is 115, sorry, 195. We should write 195. Then so how much gram? Gram is not there, we should write 0 gram. Then here another one smallest number is 115. So 996 gram. Okay, so Guruji, it is greater. So compared to the gram and gram, so we cannot compare the gram because only for bigger unit only compare. Okay, so now 0 is not less 6. Take the carry over here, having no numbers are ones and tens. Okay, I will go for the kg. It is 4. I will transfer to gram to the first place. So it is 10. After that, it is transferred to that side. It is 9. It is 10. Next after that, it is 9. It is 10. 10 less 6, 4. 9 less 9, 0. 9 less 9, 0. Next, 4 is not less 5. Take the carry over, it is 8. It is 14. 14 less 5, 9. 8 less 1, 7. 1 less 1, 0. 79 kg, 004 gram. This is the answer. So now same the problem you have to solve in the second one. Okay, look at that. First we compare the kg. If you compare kg is greater, automatically it is gram will be greater. Okay, here 175 kg, 600 gram. Here 300 from 300 kg, 2 gram. 300 kg, 2 gram. Okay, so which is the greater here? 3. So first we should write kg and gram writing upside. First kg, first we should, which is greater? Kg, 300 kg is the greater. Okay, 2 gram we should write 0 0 2. 0 0 2. So because having no 100 place, having no tens place, it is only ones place, 2 gram. Okay, so we should write 2 gram. Next here another one smallest number is 175. So smallest value 175 kg. Gram is 600 gram. Subtract and find the difference. Okay, 2 is less 0, 2. So 0 is 0, 0. 0 is not less 6. Carry over, it is 2. It is 10. After that it is 9. It is 10. After that is 9. To transfer to this side, it is 10. 10 less 6, 4. 10 less 6, 4. Next, 9 less 5, 4. 9 less 7, 2. 2 less 1, 1. 124 kg, 402 gram. 402 gram. This is the subtraction in measures of mass. So arranged in column wise and then biggest number, compare the biggest unit, bigger units. Okay, so which is the bigger? First you should write it and then smaller number taken downside and find out the difference. This is the subtraction in measures of mass. Okay, Next, I will go for statement sums for the subtraction. So subtraction statement sums has it is. So those are like in how much are remaining, how much is left. So that type of questions will be there. So we can read and find out the answer. Okay, students. Now exercise 11E. I will solve some two problems. I will solve two problems. Remaining you have to do. Okay. So look at that. First one question. A man weighed 75 kg, 375 gram. A man weighed 75 kg, 375 gram. He lost 3 kg, 105 gram of his weight due to illness. Due to illness, what is his weight now? So look at this question. So how much is remaining of the type of questions are we can do the subtraction. I am already told. So look at this. This is a man weight 75 kg, 375 gram. First he has to weigh the weight of this. Okay, so what is that? 75 kg, 375 gram. After that, so he lost 3 kg on 3 kg lost mark. So it means lost the 3 kg, 3 kg, 105 gram. Because why he had lost the weight? Due to illness, for suffering from fever, whatever it may be. So he has suffering from fever, cold, so whatever it may be, he is suffer. So 3 kg, 105 grams of weight he has lost. So find out what is his weight now. So hangare, so he weight yesterday. What is the weight now? So we should find out. First, to a man weighed, the weight of a man weighed. First, a man weighed, a man weighed. How much? What is the weight of man? So kg and gram. So how much first? He is 75 kg, 375 gram. Next, he lost the loss of weight. The loss of will I lost the weight, loss of weight, loss of weight due to what? Illness. Illness means the health is upset. Okay. So look at this. So how much is 3 kg? 3 kg, 105 grams has to be lost the weight. So how much is weight is now? So 5 less 5 0, 7, 2, 5 less 3, 2, 7. 72 kg, 275, 270 gram. Now the weight of the a man weight. So now it is 72 kg, 270 gram. So this is the subtraction of. So like this, we can do it. Okay, next one. A Madhu purchased 15 kg mangoes. Madhu purchased 15 kg mangoes. She is used 7 kg, 530 grams for making juice. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ಲು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 7 kg, 530 grams of 5 kg 30 grams. They are making to juice, mango juice. And then how much mangoes were left? How much mangoes were left? We should find out. So we can, okay. Okay. So first, Madhu purchased mangoes. First, Madhu purchased mangoes. Guruji, what? So how to compare which one is bigger? So here 15 kg, here 7 kg. Which is the bigger? 15 kg is the bigger. So the smaller is 7 kg. First we should take the 15 kg bigger. First, Madhu purchased mangoes. Mangoes. So how much kg she purchased? 15 kg. 15 kg. So here gram will be there. So 15 kg having no grams, so we should write 00 gram. 15 kg, 00 grams. Next, after that, she is used making, she used juice, use mangoes for making juice equal to how much? 7 kg, 530. Now, find out the answer, subtract. So 0 is not less carry. So it is 4, it is 10, it is 9, it is 10, it is 9, it is 10. 10, sorry, wait. gram. Okay, 0 less 0, 0. 0 is not less 3, carry over, it is 10. After that, it is 9 to give to 10. So now 10 less 3, 7. Okay, 9 less 5, 4. 4 is not less 7. Take the carry, it is 10, it is 0, it is 14. 14 less 7, 7. 7 kg, 470 mangoes were left. Left mangoes. Mangoes were left. Mangoes were left. 7 kg, 470 grams of mangoes were left. Okay, these are the types of addition and subtraction. Okay, next class I will go to mixed sum questions. Okay, I hope all of you understand today's class. Okay, students, I will sending the homework exercise 11D and 11E. Okay, so that is your homework. So remaining three questions, second one, third one, fourth one in the exercise 11E. And then here first main exercise 11D, first main do in textbook, second main and third main solved in HW. Okay, I hope all of you clear. Thank you, students. Dhanyavad.